camp friends, my name is Carol. For those of you that don't know me, I'm a teacher in the Bumblebee group at the Toddler Center. Today we're going to be talking about nature. If you go outside and look around, nature is everywhere. So we're going to go on a scavenger hunt today and we're going to try to find some bugs. How fun is that? So here we go. We're going to try to find a bumblebee, an ant, a grasshopper, a fly, a butterfly, a ladybug, a worm, a spider, a mosquito, and a snail. And look, I have the magnifying glass. Nature's everywhere, like I said. Now, when you go outside, if you use your 5 senses of your body, that helps you to discover and learn what nature is. The 5 senses of our bodies are seeing with our eyes. I see trees, I see flowers. Hearing with our ears. Right now I hear leaves because it's a little windy. And I hear birds chirping. Smelling, touching. Now sometimes if mom and dad say it's okay, you can touch or you can smell maybe a flower or a plant. And tasting is the other sense. But again, when you go outside, nature's everywhere. You have to look up at the beautiful trees. So right now I see so many trees with green leaves. Wow, and it's a blue sky. It's a sunny, beautiful day today. Now we're walking on green grass. And look, I found flowers. I found little yellow flowers on clovers. Look at that. And look, here's an acorn. A brown acorn. Wow. And look at these rocks. This is nature. Look at these big rocks. Look at that big rock. That's big. Wow, nature is everywhere. You have to listen. I hear the leaves again because it's a little windy. All right, now back to our bugs. Let's see what we can find. Yeah. Here's a bug. That looks like an ant. A black ant. Okay, let's keep looking. I just saw a fly. There it goes. I saw a fly. So I'm going to check that we found an ant and a fly. Great job. So let's go. Let's see what other bugs we can find today on this beautiful day. Look, we have more rocks. Here's a stick. This is all part of nature. Okay. There's another ant. Oh, there's the ant. See it? There you go. Okay, so now I see some beautiful flowers I want to show my friends. Look at these. Those are orange. Those are beautiful flowers. These are open. These are still closed. Flowers need lots of sun and water to grow. So I bet soon these will open up and look like those beautiful orange ones. Look at these beautiful flowers. Some white flowers. And we have some red flowers. And look at this ant. That ant has something. Is that a piece of food? That ant is working hard and carrying something with its mouth and antenna. Look at that. That's great. See, you have to look around. And all these things in nature are just so wonderful. All right, we're going to still try to find some bugs. So let's go. Come on. Go. Look, I found some more beautiful flowers. I see red flowers and white flowers and pink and orange and dark pink and more white over there. Now look, here are some wood chips, some leaves. Here's a little leaf, and here's a bigger leaf. Those are green and yellow. It's so interesting when you really look around to see all this beautiful nature. Okay, so we're still looking for some bugs. Maybe they're sleeping today. Oh, I just saw a bird. A bird fly by. Okay, come on. And we have more flowers. Look at these beautiful flowers and these big green leaves. Look at these. These flowers are starting to bloom. Wow, look at these leaves. That's a big leaf. Look at that. I'm going to feel it with one of our senses, right? Touch. That's a soft leaf. That's a big leaf. Oh, I see a butterfly. It's a white butterfly flying in the bush. Did you see it? Oh, good. Okay. We're always looking. Keep looking.